Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're taking a close-up look at the Stitched Stack Mini-Slimline die set. This die set has 12 stacking rectangles that have a stitched edge, perfect for your mini slimline cards and so much more. When you get these, you're going to need to take them apart. They're very close together, so I find twisting them and bending them at the tabs works best and is quick and easy. If you have any rough edges, you can always clip those off after you separate them. Now let's take a look at every one of these rectangles, all die cut out. The largest is 3 inches by 6 inches, and the smallest is just over 1/4 of an inch wide by 3 1/4 inches long. Now let's take a look at some other ways you can use this die set. I love that you can use it to create frames for your mini slimline cards and turn them into shakers. You can also use the smaller dies in the set to die cut out your long and skinny sentiments. This die set also coordinates with another new die set from Trinity, the Mini Slimline Dainty Scalloped Edge. You can layer the rectangles on top of these panels for a nice scallop stitched layered look. You can use the larger rectangles or go down a size to leave a little bit of that white edge showing. The third die in the scalloped set die cuts out an opening into a rectangle. So you can use it with the scalloped ones, and you can also use it with the stitched rectangles. And you can layer those together in so many different combinations. This is one of those die sets that's going to be a go-to for mini slimline card making, as well as cards of any other size. Check out these samples created by our design team. When I created these cards, I die cut out the black frame and the stenciled panel with a stitched rectangle, as well as a sentiment strip. Here's one of those cards where they put the stitched rectangle on top of the scalloped rectangle. Love this look. And why not add a stitched edge to an otherwise plain rectangle to give it a little extra something? If you'd like more inspiration from Trinity Stamps, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.